Severe thunderstorms hit portions of the southern prairies on June 19th. At least 3 rotating thunderstorms prompted tornado warnings from communities near Saskatoon to rural areas near Estevan. The storm in southern Saskatchewan near Estevan produced at least 1 spotter-confirmed tornado. Multiple chasers in the region caught photos and videos of the twister as it swept through fields, hurling debris through the air along its track. Experts will likely survey the damage in the days ahead to confirm the number of tornadoes that touched down and assign damage ratings.